Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send dice to your friends in Monopoly Go. Sharing dice is a great way to help your friends and keep the fun going. So let's dive right in. Open the Monopoly Go app on your device and make sure you're signed in to your account. By opening the application on the homepage, look for the Friends option in the lower right corner of the screen and click on it. Clicking on the Friends option will open a new page where you will look for the Contacts option and click on it. The application will open an option where you can enter the mobile phone number to whom you want to send the dice so that it can work. Explain how to find a friend. When you have read all that, you just have to click Add Contacts. Now all you have to do is select the country in the drop-down menu and enter the number of the friend you want to send to. After entering the number, click Continue. When you have done all that remains is to insert the code that was sent to that number and click on the Submit option. After you tap the button, the cube will be sent to your friend. They will get a notification to let them know they have more dice to roll. And that is that. By following these simple steps, you can easily send the blocks to your friends in Monopoly Go and continue playing. It's a great way to help each other and enjoy the game even more. If this guide helped you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more game tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.